Hi everyone, my name's Deb with another YouTube video here. So you've already seen that my lovebird smell, as you can see. And now you're about to meet my two cockatiels. One's grey and one's yellow. They're called Pinky and Perky. Hello. And there's the other one over there. They've got a massive golden cage, look. Got a massive work. Yeah. Hello little buddy. The other one's a bit scared. Look, you can make it move. They're called cockatiels and they're sick. They fly around on a swing. By the way, they're both girls. Now we'll have a lot of fun. There's a boy. There's a good little buddy. The other one's quiet for once. Giggity 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 goo. Oh, here it is. Oh no you don't. You're not going over here. Oh, what are you gonna do now? Oh no, Pinky and Perky. No, Perky. I love you with them.